up, moneymakers? Let's dive into how you can master your money game. Here are the top 10 tips to take control of your finances. First up, prioritize financial education. Know the basics like budgeting and investing. The more you know, the better your choices. Next, invest in yourself. Build skills, network, and grow personally. This can boost your income over time. Third, live below your means. Spend less than you earn and invest or save the rest. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on one source. Try side hustles or investments for extra cash. Invest early and regularly. Compound growth is powerful, so start small and stay consistent. Stay on top of budgeting and tracking. Knowing where your money goes keeps you in control. Think long-term. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid high-interest debt. It slows your progress. Pay it off fast. Understand your risk tolerance. Only invest in what you understand and can handle. Lastly, build an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses to protect your plans. Follow these tips and watch your financial freedom grow. Thanks for watching.